Hey there, culinary adventures. Get ready for a tasty ride and welcome back to Blogging Good Food. Today we are diving into the world of delicious and healthy Indian vegetarian salads. Let's get started. First up, let's beat the heat with some refreshing summer salads. These salads are not only healthy but also bursting with flavor. We'll kick things off with a cooling cucumber salad. Crisp cucumbers, juicy tomatoes, and a tangy dressing come together in this mouth-watering summer delight, perfect for a light lunch or as a side dish at your next barbecue. Now, let's take a trip to the tropics with a vibrant tropical fruit salads. Fresh pineapple, ripe mangoes, and zesty lime make this salad a true summer sensation. It's like a vacation in a bowl. If you are looking for a hearty meal, these protein-packed vegetarian salads have got you covered. Our first protein-packed delight is the chickpea quinoa salad. Loaded with plant-based protein and a medley of colorful veggies. This salad is not only nutritious but also incredibly satisfying. Craving something with an Indian twist? Try our paneer tikka salad. Marinated paneer grilled to perfection and tossed with a fresh green. It's a flavor explosion you won't want to miss. Sometimes you just can't beat the classics. Let's explore some timeless vegetable salads. First up, we have the ever popular Greek salad. Crisp lettuce, juicy tomatoes, creamy feta cheese, and a drizzle of olive oil. It's simple yet absolutely divine. Another classic favorite is the caprese salad. With the ripe tomatoes, fresh mozzarella, basil leaves, and balsamic glaze, this salad is a work of art on a plate. If you enjoyed this video, please like, share, and subscribe to Blogging Good Food for more delicious content. Happy salad making!